Hello and welcome to this edition of SUNY Coby News. I'm Emma Mercilliott. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by the communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for joining us. SUNY Cobleskill's open house season has come to an end. SUNY Cobleskill admission counselors and ambassadors spoke with friends and families attending the session about campus activities and community engagement. Open house is an opportunity for potential students to explore different majors and minors that SUNY Cobleskill has to offer, as well as clubs. Students and chaperones are encouraged to mingle with faculty and staff over lunch in Champlain Dining Hall. Mingling with faculty and staff provides potential students the opportunity to learn more about their desired degree programs and possible club involvement. Admission ambassadors took students and chaperones on and off campus, giving them a chance to see not only the campus, but the village of Cobleskill as well. To find out more or sign up for the next edition of Open House, go to www.cobleskill.edu/openhouse and register now. Last month, the campus community was invited to a celebration in the campus art gallery, located in the old gym building. The art gallery welcomed a new art exhibit. The piece is called Autumn Doesn't Feel the Same. The artwork was by Utica-based sculptor Mark Anthony Polizzi, who utilizes found objects to create gravity-defying pieces that comment on consumerism, capitalism, and the effect of the mass market on our mental health. 2/3 of the items that were used to make the installation were from SUNY Cobleskill's campus. You can check out the sculpture in the art gallery in Old Gym until January. You can also check out more of Mark's artwork at www.programtolove.com. As Thanksgiving break approaches, make sure you're prepared. For students who are leaving campus, make sure that doors and windows are locked and all trash, especially food waste, is disposed of properly. Finally, make sure there's a clear walk-through path throughout your dorm room as well. And RDs and RAs will be conducting room checks on November 27th from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you plan to stay on campus, there's no application process or extra cost. Just remember to register anytime before November 26th using the break registration form that was sent to all student emails. For those staying on campus, be aware of limited takeout meal options. However, UPD will be delivering hot Thanksgiving meals upon request with collaboration from the Community Thanksgiving Dinner Meal Program. Finally, note that no guests will be permitted in residence halls from Wednesday, November 27th through December 1st. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here on the SUNY Cobeskill campus. Stay with us.
No cell phone service, no television or internet connections, no electricity, and in some DEC Adirondack campgrounds, no roads either. Forked Lake is just one of the 52 campgrounds that you can explore in the Adirondack Mountains of New York State. This facility is a primitive camping experience. Each site is outfitted with just the basics. You've got to hike trails or paddle a canoe to get to each site, putting you right in the middle of the area's natural beauty. Too rustic for you? That's okay. The DEC offers a wide variety of experiences, including island camping, tent and trailer sites with electricity and running water, boat launch facilities, hiking trails, beaches, and more. And it's all just a click away. To find out more and to start planning for your next Adirondack adventure, log on to www.dec.ny.gov. You'll find all the information you need to start enjoying the great Adirondack outdoors in upstate New York.
Hello and welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Emma Mercilliott. We're here each week with a student-produced newscast from the communication programs offered here at SUNY Cobleskill. Thanks for being with us. SUNY Cobleskill's women's volleyball season has come to an end. The team's hard-fought season was recognized with 4 players being awarded by the North Atlantic Conference. Second years Emma Hines, Bailey Kirschberg, and Kathleen Smart making the NAC second team all-conference. The all-conference second team is composed of players who have been demonstrating outstanding skills, leadership, and performance throughout the season. Third-year Jade Ward made the all-sportsmanship team. The all-sportsmanship team is an honorary recognition given to athletes. Congratulations on a hard-fought season. As the semester comes to an end, look out for the following events around campus. Monday, December 2nd is Mystery Bingo in Bauk Theater. Tuesday, December 3rd is Hot Cocoa and Cookies in Lower Brickyard Point. Wednesday, December 4th is Country Craft Night in Lower Brickyard Point. And Thursday, December 5th is Cozy Bingo. For more events, check out Coby Engage and the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News live from the SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Emma Mercilliott. We'll be back soon, coming to you from right here in the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wiegen Library building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill, including our new agricultural communications program, visit cobleskill.edu today. You can also find the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Following the hashtag SUNY Coby COMM will also help you stay up to date on all things COMM here at SUNY Cobleskill. Once again, I'm Emma Mercilliott, and thank you for joining us. We'll see you again soon on the next edition of SUNY Coby News.